Next, number 4, distributive property for rational numbers. This property is little different from remaining 3 properties because in this property 2 operations happen together at a time. First, we'll take the case of distributive property for multiplication over addition. What is the meaning of distributive property for multiplication over addition? Suppose we have 3 rational numbers, that is a, b and c. So a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Here this is multiplication over addition. So we'll explain it with the help of an example. Let us take the rational numbers 1 upon 2 into minus 3 upon 5 plus 4 upon 7. That is, this left hand side we are simplifying first. So we get here minus 1 upon 70. Now we will simplify right hand side, that is a into b plus a into c. So 1 upon 2 into 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2 into 4 upon 7. So we get here minus 3 upon 10 plus 4 upon 14. So we get LCM 70. This will become minus 21 plus 20, that is minus 1 upon 70. So we have seen that distributive property holds true for multiplication over addition of rational numbers. Next, we will take the case of distributive property for multiplication over subtraction. What is the meaning of distributive property for multiplication over subtraction? Let us have 3 rational numbers a, b and c. So a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. This is multiplication over subtraction. Again we will take 3 rational numbers, say 1 upon 2 into 3 upon 5 minus 4 upon 7. We will simplify left hand side first, that is a into b minus c. So we get 1 upon 2 into we get 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 35, that is 1 upon 70. Now we will simplify right hand side, that is AB minus AC. So here it is 1 upon 2 into 3 upon 5 minus 1 upon 2 into 4 upon 7. So we get 3 upon 10 minus 4 upon 14. So on simplification we get 1 upon 70. So we have seen both the side, that is left hand side and right hand sides are equal, that is 1 upon 2 into 3 upon 5 minus 4 upon 7 is same as 1 upon 2 into 3 upon 5 minus 1 upon 2 into 4 upon 7. It means distributive property for multiplication over subtraction also holds good. Next, number 5, additive inverse or negative of a number. What is additive inverse or negative of a number? The number which on adding with the given number gives 0 is known as negative or additive inverse of that number. For example, we have a rational number p upon q. If we add minus p upon q to it, we get 0. So, the additive inverse of p upon q is minus p upon q. Next, multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of a rational number. What is multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of a rational number? The number which on multiplying with the given number gives 1 as the product is known as the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of that rational number. For example, if we have p upon q as a rational number, if we multiply it by q upon p, we get 1. Therefore, multiplicative inverse of p upon q is q upon p. Note, in case of reciprocal of a number, sign does not change. For p upon q, it is q upon p, and for minus p upon q, it is minus q upon p.